Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of passports, those little booklets that hold the key to unlocking the globe. Ever wondered which passports hold the most power, which ones let you breeze through airports, and which ones leave you drowning in visa applications? Let's find out. We're about to rank the most powerful passports in the world, and trust me, the results might surprise you. For years, Japan has consistently held the top spot for passport power, and for good reason. Imagine having visa-free or visa-on-arrival access to over 190 countries. That's right, with a Japanese passport you can travel to almost every corner of the world without the hassle of pre-approved visas. This freedom of movement is invaluable whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or just starting your travel adventures. Hot on Japan's heels is Singapore, another powerhouse in the passport game. This small but mighty nation boasts a passport that unlocks the doors to 190 countries without a visa. Think about the possibilities. Spontaneous trips to Europe, exploring the wonders of South America, or even embarking on an African safari, all without the stress of visa applications. Singapore's passport is truly a testament to its global standing and strong diplomatic ties. Coming in at a close third is Germany, with access to a staggering 189 countries visa-free. Holding a German passport is like having a VIP pass to most of the world. Imagine strolling through Parisian cafes one day and hiking the Swiss Alps the next, all without a visa in sight. It's no wonder that German citizens are among the most well-traveled people on the planet. Tying with Germany is South Korea, another nation with an incredibly powerful passport. With visa-free access to 189 countries, South Korea has quickly climbed the ranks in recent years. This incredible travel freedom reflects the country's growing economic and cultural influence on the world stage. From the bustling streets of Seoul to the serene temples of Gyeongju, a South Korean passport unlocks a world of experiences. Rounding out our top 5 is Finland, a country known for its stunning natural beauty and high quality of life. With visa-free or visa-on-arrival access to 188 countries, a Finnish passport is your ticket to exploring everything from the northern lights to the ancient ruins of Rome. It's no wonder that Finland consistently ranks highly in global happiness surveys. With a passport like that, you'd be smiling too. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more interesting content. Remember, a passport is more than just a travel document. It's a symbol of freedom, opportunity, and the power to connect with different cultures. Which passport do you hold? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, thanks for joining me on this incredible journey around the world.